Hello, welcome back. In the last video we were doing the sums of calendar, so we'll continue with that. In this video I'll try to solve with sum number 2. Okay. I'm writing down the question for you all. What day of the week was 15th August 1947? This is the question. What day of the week was 15th August 1947? So you know 1947 was a very remarkable year. So question has come from this. We will try to solve it. Now for this question we will divide the answer into various sections. So talking of the section, coming to the first section, that is section 1. The date, that is 15th August 1947, can be divided into the following, which I will be writing now for easier calculation. Okay, so the answer. Now, first we will divide it in the first section, that is 1600 years. The next section we will do plus 300 years. The next section will be 46 years. That is from 1901 to 1946. Don't keep it as 1947. Okay. The next one will be January 1st to August 15 of 1947. So these are the sections that I am going to have. First, second, third and fourth section. One note, do not write 47 years in the third section. If you indicate 47th year in that century, that means it is over. So we will write 1600 years plus 300 plus 46 years plus January 1st to August 15th of 1947. Now let's find out the total number of odd days in each and every section. Okay. Now the first section. Now 1600 is a multiple of 400 years. 400 years have 0 odd days. Hence 600 years, in 1600 years you should be having 0 number of odd days. Zero odd days. In the second section, which is 300 years, this will have 1 number of odd days. Please refer to the evaluation of odd days in the previous video which I have made for further clarification. So the second section, we found out 1 number of odd days. Now coming to the section 3, which is 46 years. Now 46 years. This section has 46 years, that is from 1901 to 1946. We know that an ordinary year has one odd day and a leap year has 2 odd days. So then let's first calculate the total number of leap years from 1901 to 1946. Before that, I will erase this. Now coming to section 3. The section 3's calculation which I am going to do right now is for 46 years. Right. So 46 years which is being counted from 1901 to 1946. Now we know that an ordinary year has 1 odd day and a leap year has 2 odd days. Let's first calculate the total number of leap years from 1901 to 1946. Right? So here, which we already know, division by 46 by 4 gives you the quotient as 11. And the remainder remains 2. Which indicates that from 1901 to 1947, we have 11 leap years. If there are 11 leap years among 46, then the remaining 35 should be ordinary years. Now, the next thing that I am going to say is, if there are 11 years, we have already done and calculated that. Hence, 35 ordinary years will have 35 odd days, and 11 leap years will have 11 into 2, that is 22. So, 35 plus 11 into 2, which is 35 plus 22, right? So, 35 plus 22, number of odd days that we have. So, the total number of odd days is 46, which will be, in 46 years, will be 35 plus 22 number of odd days, that is 11 into 2, which will give you the final figure of 57 odd days. Right? Now we have already got 57 odd days. Now, the division of 57 by 7 gives you the remainder as 1. Right? We already know this, that 7 rounded off will give you 56 and the remainder will come to 1. So, this will indicate from 1901 to 1946, there is only one odd day, which is this that we have got. Right? Up till now, if it is clear, then we will proceed to the next part. Now, this is what we have done for the third section. Now, coming to section 4. Now, section 4, it has 4 months from January to 15th of August. We have already calculated the total number of odd days in each month in the odd day section, that is in the previous video. Now, since 1947 is not a leap year, February had 0 odd days, so we will do the calculation accordingly. I'll erase this. Now, the total number of odd days from January to August, I will write down. Right? January had 3 odd days. February will have 0 odd days. March will have 3 number of odd days. April will have 2 number of odd days. Coming to May, it will have 3 number of odd days. June will have 2 odd days. July will have 3 odd days. Now August. August will have 15. Why? Since the month is not over yet. So we have got the total number of odd days. Now we can calculate the total. If we calculate the total, we will be getting 31 odd days. Right? So 31 odd days we have got. The total number of odd days is 31, which when divided by 7 gives the remainder as 3. Right? So this is all that we have got in this fourth section. Now, the total number of odd days in the year 1947 from 1st January to 15th August is 3. Now we will add the total number of odd days in each section. In the first section, we had 0 odd days. In the second section, that is 300 years, we had 1 odd day. Next, in the third section, we had 46 years and 1 odd day. Now coming to fourth section, that is January 1st to 15th August. Now this had the number of odd days as we had already calculated as 3, because after the remainder and everything remained, we had 3. So now what we will do is we will be adding up the total, right? So the total that we get is 3, 4 and 5. So we get 5. The total is 5. So 5 from Sunday is Friday, right? Sunday, after that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hence August 15th, 1947 was Friday. If you haven't understood the fifth thing, I'm writing it down. Fifth from Sunday, right? So fifth, that is Monday, is 1, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So 5, since we have 5, we start from 0. 0 is Sunday. Let's leave that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth number of day from Sunday is Friday. So the answer to this is fifth is Friday. What day of the week was 15th August 1947? The answer will be Friday. Right? So I hope this second question's answer was clear to you, right? If you want, you can write down the question or take a screenshot of it, no problem. Now moving on to the third question. Now I will write the third question for you all. Question number 3. See, the third question I have already written down for you all. On 5th December 1993, Nirmala and Raju celebrated their anniversary on Sunday. What will be the day of their anniversary in the year 1997? Now you have options here. The question has given you options. First option is Wednesday. Second option is Thursday. Next is Friday. And the last option is Tuesday. Please take a snap of it. I'll erase this for my answer. Right. After all this question, we will begin with the answer. Now, what is the answer to this question? It might appear that it is really very difficult or we have to take out a calendar to find it out. It is not really so. We know that normal year jumps by 1 game. And the leap year has 2. Right? This is the normal concept. That is first 1 day gain in normal year and 2 day gain in leap year. Right? So, after knowing this, the answer to this calculation will really be very, very easy. Year or day gain I will write down here. 1994 will have 1 day gain. 1995 will have 1 day gain. 1996, since it's a leap year, will have 2 days gain. 1997 will have 1 day gain. Right? So the total days is 5. Right? Now Sunday plus 5 days. We will be calculating this. So Sunday plus 5 will give me Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days. 5 days from Sunday, that is 5th, comes to Friday. So 5 stands for Friday, which I have already given you the explanation. Since first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, third day is Wednesday, fourth day is Thursday, fifth day is Friday. So calculating the answer, we get the fifth day is Friday. So the answer to this question is the third option, that is number C, which is Friday, right? So they will be celebrating their anniversary on Friday in the year 1977, right? So I hope the two sums I have taught is really clear. You can repeat the videos if you want. And in the next video, I will be coming up with few more sums of other types. I'll end my video here. Thank you.